Shadim Shuri. Good morning. It is Tuesday, 9/24/24. Double 24. Today, sector focus, cybersecurity. Okay, let's start out with the big, the biggest problem, the biggest weakness in the group. Okay, snow. Not a good after hour yesterday. There was a dump yesterday after hour. Let's take a look at the news. Is there any news? What was the reason for that dump? There gotta be a reason, right? Huh. Snow to offer 2 billion in convertible senior notes in private placement. Okay, I need to take a look at that deeper. At their balance sheet, that's always a must, right? When you're issuing debt, why do they need 2 billion? That's the question. But not a surprise to see this kind of reaction. As I mentioned for a while now, that snow is definitely on my watch list for potential uh, buy the dip into the tax loss selling season for a nice bounce in December. So yeah, it's I welcome this crash. Now, do I buy it here now? No, 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 no. Okay, let's not go crazy. Now, would I sell a put spread here? The answer is yes. The question is where. Let's go back 3 years and see. We are, good God, this is ugly. Okay, so you're talking uh 3 years low here, that line. Yeah, let's draw that in. Let's make that a white line. Okay, because it is important. It's not just any line. It's a white line. Do not cross the white line. All right, let's go back even further. Yeah, this is ugly. You can't ask for more. Okay, so all right, it does not go further because the company did not exist uh, 15 years ago. Okay, all right. Um, let's see where the next fib is. Is a fib. This is a fib retracement, and then so it will show up. There you go. 83.58. I'm not predicting that it's gonna get down there. For now, it needs to hold the 52-week low, all-time low, not just 52-week low. You're talking all-time, multi-year since IPO low. It needs to hold that. It's ugly. Okay, this is definitely the dog of the dog. We gotta look at this thing. 3 out of the last 4 quarters, it lost a lot of money. It need to hold the 107. Channel low is 95.74. Can this get down there? Likely. Uh, it's possible. If 107 does not hold, uh, yeah, tax loss selling can drive these suckers down there. Okay, so for now, if I was to do like a put spread that go beyond this Friday, I would do something like a 90, 85 put spread going out in 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, not this week. There's no juice this week, but if there is juice for uh, mid October, early October, it would have to be something like that. It had to be something like a 90, 85. Yeah, that far. That's crazy. Okay, because I don't feel safe above that. Now for this Friday, would I do a 100? 90, 195 if there is juice for lunch money. Yeah. Okay, so that's the dog. Uh, Crowd has recovered quite nicely, but it's definitely time to go if you have it, right? Yeah, it's time to go up there. Okay, between here, the 200, 3025 area, and 310. Okay, you get all kind of thing. The fib, the 100, the 200, take some off the table. But congratulations if you have the nerve to buy crowd below here. I did not. Okay, I did not. It was just too. The problem seemed to be too big, but obviously it's not too big. Just look at Microsoft, right? Microsoft shrugged that off pretty well as far as that incident. So for me right now, no. But I think you will get your chance to buy CrowdStrike lower if you want to go long. Instead of chasing here, I would say buy down there in the 264 to 65 range. You know, wherever the 50 and the 20. Okay, if there is a market sell-off, if there is tax loss coming in October, you might get your chance to buy it again down there. So trim, sell up here, buy entry down there. If you see the white line again, if the sell-off is bigger, buy at the white line. Uh, the darling of the group. Would I buy here? Depend on well, if I believe in the stock, which I am a fan of the stock, just not here, even though it is at a level of support. And as you can see, this stock love to violate. It's a violator. It's a violator. Okay. When it comes down to this channel low, it's a violator. All right. So that's why would I buy down here? Yes. 200 MA? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So if I was to play with this stock, put spread down there with the willingness to swallow up 100 share if that happens. So for me, 310, 300 put spread is where I would play. If I was to outright nibble a few share, maybe nibble a little bit at the 100, add more at the 200, right? That would be, but it's getting into the zone where I like. Okay, but like I said, this stock is volatile. It's a violator because see the zone resisted, and then it crashed right through it. Okay, resisted, and then it crashed right through it. So yeah, TA tend to get violated often with Palo Alto. Some stocks just behave that way. Okay, so Fortinet, whew, what a killer! What a killer! Okay, this stock has done exceedingly well, but if you look at the earning, no doubt it's doing well, going up for over the last 4 quarters. But does this warrant this? The answer is no. I would not touch it here, not a chance. Some people love it, not me. You go back 3 years, it is definitely at the trimming zone, right? You're talking 3-year high here. I think this might be even multi-year. Go max. Let's go maximum. Max available. Yeah, look at this thing. Even more than Palo Alto as far as the darling. This one is near the all-time high, right? Near the all-time high. And no, I would not chase it here, not one bit. No need to be in here. Okay, you can. Now, let's see. You see this? right here. Let's draw it in. Make that the white line, okay? Do not cross that white line. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Okay, and then had been check back, check back. Looking good. Okay, so if you are long in the stock, make sure you have some kind of stop to protect your gain. But if this white line is violated, okay, you can see a move down to the 50, and the low of the gap up is lining up eventually soon in the next week or two with the 50 and 200, the 100 and the 200 MA. Yeah, so it's coming up. So yeah, I would say be careful. Okay, you are in rare air right now. So do your fib if you must. Okay, do your fib if you must to figure out where to go next. But for me, next can be the all-time high up there, 81.24. So if you have it, have your order up there for the all-time high. All right, it's coming. Z-scale. This one is another one that I consider a dog. It has come down. The last time I mentioned Z-scale was, of course, when it came down to the white line, right? Remember? Support, support, support of beauty. It bounced. I would say it's time to trim up there. All I did was I play put spread. Okay, I have been playing put spread on these scales for quite some time with consistent success, small money, small gain, but I take it. Okay, I've been selling when I did the few trip down here. I've been selling 150, 145 put spread. Right now, there's not enough juice for that. Okay, but if you have it, look to trim. I will trim here, trim again, trim again. Okay. Sure. Can it get into that upper range of 200 where it peaked over the previous two trips in the last 3 months? Yeah, it's possible. But for now, start trimming. Octa. Octa. Another one of the dog. Okay. Yeah, I would play this if we get to the gray, if tax loss selling knock it down into this gray zone in the 65, yeah, like of the truck. Okay, buy a lot, okay. The last time it came down here, would you believe, last October? Yeah, it's been a year. Okay, last October you bought it in October 65 by Christmas year end. Yeah, that's nice, right? Nice. 65 to 90. That's a whole year return for a lot of people, right? This is why I said if it get to 65 in the next 5 weeks, back up the truck. Okay, back up the truck. I'm buying at least 100, if not 200 or 300 shares. Yeah, I like it. I like Octa. I like the kind of gamble. Okay, I can see myself go heavy into the beaten up. This is why cash is high right now. Cash is over 20%. I'm getting ready. Okay, getting ready for this dog to buy into October. All right. That's it for today. Sector focus. A lot of good stuff to buy into the dip in the next couple of weeks. Okay, so keep your eyes on the Octa, the Z scale, the snowflakes, and for the rest, take your profit.